Alright, I'm here with Jacob and Indigo 23, and these will be the elevators at the, Clouds...
Who the hell cares?
Okay. That's... Oh, this, as you can see, there's a modernization project. We got some elevators here. And we got a treat for Tom and some other people that requested these. This is your new call button. I can't... You ready for Squidward screaming? Because just be ready for that. It's going to happen at some point. Here it is.
What the hell happened to the stairs? They're all slippery now.
Oh wow, listen to that motor.
Why'd you do that?
The other day when you spent all that time at the drugstore.
Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, this is driving me nuts. Was one of the dwarves named
Alright, here we go.
kind of well-dressed, or am I just making that up?
Hold on the stairs. Why don't you take the Share Bear elevator, Peter?
What are you guys watching?
Peter, if you hate the stairs so bad, just take the Share Bear elevator. That's all you need to do. Bro, this thing is slow. Hey Jacob, guess what?
What?
I'm riding the Share Bear elevators. Come on, Peter. Just come along with the ride with us. I'm ready for Squidward. Uh-oh. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go up and switch on. We're gonna go ahead and switch. Oh, that's weird. It already changed. These things have a bit of a controller issue. Send it up. There it goes. There goes the original. Go ahead and write the new one. The basement's still locked. Yeah, okay, share modded by share it looks like. That's your answer, Jacob. Share. I mean, Jacob. Share. Jacob. I got your answer. To share modded by share. There's your answer. I was prepared for this. Not sure what the songs are in the background. I wish we'd go down. Stop, run. That's actually a pretty darn nice motor. Oh, this is going down. There it goes. There it goes. And they're the originals. See, this one's already in the this one's already on the chopping block. And same with this one. Well, this one's on the chopping block. This one's being installed right here. But this one right here is on the chopping block. There you go. Hope you all enjoyed. Those of you that requested this, dedicated to Tom and Scott and Jacob Flanigan. And of course, we get to have. Wow. That's it. This is dedicated to Tom. Elevator's here. Indigo 23, 1839, and please see manual DVD, Dibble McPancake Hotel.
Why? What's next? The Abominable Snowman Indigo 23, please see DVD, Dibble McPancake Hotel, Motel, Table McPugabell.
I should actually make that.
Wait!
Turn it down.
What the heck?
So remove.
I'll get a picture of 1839 at some point. While I'm going down, I'll go look at Good Luck Bear's Instagram to find it.
Ferret. Why did I realize ferrets are so funny now?
What the? Oh my god, that scared me.
Trust me, it got me too.
Go up to 2.
So I know if a gray
Where we
series
start?
is rare or not. I actually don't know that.
Hold on, I wanna